Hey guys, it's opening night and I've been planning this vlog for a couple weeks now. My dogs are freaking out because mom's outside, but the power's been out for about since last night, so I'm freezing and my phone is currently plugged up to my laptop. So I'll meet you at the theater where there's actual power. Wait, oops, sorry. Wasn't recording. Okay. It's been a day. We're starting Silly Girls. This is our beast.
Hi.
Here
you go.
You're leaving me hanging.
Sorry.
Okay. I'm blushing villagers, so that's fun.
Which brush did you have me use
this
yesterday
is
on her?
The universal blush. It's the Lunatic Cosmetics Super Unleaded. What?
Which
brush?
Yeah.
I'll get Annie.
Okay. It's fine.
He's got Annie.
I just do base on them.
Oh, okay.
Then,
You can do my face.
yeah, then you'll come over here and then do yours.
Okay. I'll just leave this on and let you do makeup. Okay.
You.
Okay.
If you aren't already aware, I am the makeup director of Beauty and the Beast, and it's a little hectic backstage. This is my makeup assistant, Bryson.
Hello.
He's kind of the best person in the world. So it's a little hectic. If I have power tonight, I'm going to talk about a really cool watch. But now I'm waiting for someone to come into my makeup chair.
Who's being chair? Silly chair.
Powder? Where's powder?
I don't know what powder's
I
in.
had powder. Powder.
Why is this more hectic than last night?
Because it's show night. It's always going to be more hectic.
True. True that, yeah. Okay. You ready to be pouched? I always do a cross on their face first, I don't know why.
This brush is not working. It's almost time, but we have to be quiet backstage.
I don't want this. This turns me into the beast. I don't want this.
So this is gonna be a fun night. We go in first. My eyeliner's a little messed up, but it's showtime. You have to be ready.
My hair's everywhere.
It's showtime. I'm here with Miss Suzanne. Hi. This is like my other mom.
I'll take you. I'll take you.
She's done a great job. She's the one that kind of got my work started here, so I'm forever grateful for her. So, Miss Suzanne means a lot to me. Are you sure you don't want to be in that hat? We are about to double team a nightmare called a 30-second quick change. Wow! It's napkin time!
Cheeseburger.
It is now intermission and we just finished Be Our Guest and my voice gave out during Be Our Guest.
Did you really?
I couldn't hit any notes at all.
I was backstage singing.
Please tell me one of you hit the high notes for me.
I did. I hit them for you.
I was like, Be Our Guest. No, I don't want cold. Now you can watch us dry face paint.
This is a fun segment, right? Right?
I'm gonna redo Be Our Guest so my voice doesn't give out.
This one? Maurice, what are you doing?
Maurice.
by one, till you shout, enough, I'm done. Then we'll sing you all to sleep as we digest. Tonight you'll properly let the formality of being our guest. Be our guest.
Around wearing boots like Gaston.
I use canvas in all of my decorating.
Let's pull up a chair as the dining room proudly presents
Your dinner.
our guest. Be our guest. Put our service to the test. Tie a napkin round your neck. Sherry and Bill provides a rest. Soup du jour, hot hors d'oeuvres, wine we only live to serve. Try the gray stuff.
It's delicious!
Don't believe me? Ask the dishes. They can sing, they can dance. After all, miss, this is France, and the dinner here is never second best. Go on and fold your menu, take a glance, and then you'll be our guest. We are guests, be our guests. Beef ragout, cheese souffle, pie and pudding en flambe. We'll prepare and serve with flair a culinary cabaret. You're alone and you're scared, but the banquet's all prepared. No one's gloomy or complaining while the flatware's entertaining. We tell jokes, I do tricks with my fellow candlesticks.
And it's all in perfect taste that you can learn.
Go on and lift your glass, you've won your own free pass to be our guest. If you're stressed, it's fine dining we suggest. Be our guest, be our guest, be our guest.